Let's go. I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen, looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted, yeah, that's too bad. I'd be grateful for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody look at me, I got a plan. You gotta work hard, play hard, do it from the start. Cause how you do anything is everything is art. Stay consistent and do it every day. Don't let fatigue get in your way. Cause 10% of something is better than nothing. You better do something if you wanna be something. I can feel my stomach rumbling, I'm hungry. Big things coming, I ain't bluffing, yeah. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. So I fight every day and train, yeah. It'll all be worth it. One day it'll all be worth it. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah. That's the only way to make a change, yeah. I've had enough, I'm making my own luck. Adrenaline, my drug, I'm sick of feeling stuck. I got this, will not quit to the top, I promise. Cause I've had enough. Better watch out, I'm on the climb to the crown. In my prime right now, hear me loud, I've been spitting for a while now. All by myself, independent DIY now. Don't need no help, I've been beating out labels and money and budgets, it's funny. I do all the work, yeah, keep it 100. I fight for my dreams, I would die for these things. I believe in myself, I refuse to be weak, I like to build things. Empires out of buildings, I wanna leave a legacy of helping others finally feel things. Of motivating and killing, depression, exhaustion, we need some healing. I work through the pain, I like seeing gains. I keep my head down, buried, walk through the flames. Yeah, I do this every day, even when I feel drained. A true man pushes through, you don't.
Ready for an upgrade in your gaming experience? Here's your chance with TONGNGOO. Hey, fellow gamers! While you gear up for epic Mobile Legend battles, here's a question for you. Would you prefer the full range of Apple products or the full range of Huawei products to enhance your Mobile Legend adventure? As you ponder, let me show you the incredible rewards awaiting you in TONGNGOO. Behold the grand prizes: Apple's MacBook Pro 13-inch, iPhone 15, iPad Air, Watch 9, and AirPods. And Huawei's MateBook D16, Nova 11, MatePad, Watch Fit 2, and FreeBuds 5i. Pro tip: using new phones and the latest MateBook for Mobile Legend guarantees a higher winning rate. But wait, there's more. Simply play TONGNGOO, accumulate Go Stars, and swap them for the grand prizes. Watch as players joyfully receive their Apple or Huawei products. But that's not all. In TONGNGOO, you can also swap loads, phones, and other gifts. Use loads to snag your favorite game skins. Ready to play, win, and level up your gaming setup? Register for TONGNGOO now. The link is in the description below. Let the games begin. Play games, win big prizes. That's the charm of TONGNGOO. Upgrade your mobile gaming experience today. Subscribe, register, and let's dive into the action together.